Okay, so this is the lesson shapes document, and you should refer to this every time you write a lesson plan, because a lot of the information here can be copy and pasted. Writing a lesson plan is a little bit like writing a formulaic piece of writing that students might have to do, like writing a letter of complaint. A lot of language is formulaic and therefore doesn't need to be reworded in any way. So, for example, if we look at lesson aims, if you were teaching grammar or vocabulary, you would probably be able to use this aim. So imagine you were teaching modal verbs, as in your example. So you might say, by the end of the lesson, students will be better able to understand and use modal verbs in the context of. And the context would be whatever reading or listening that that grammar came from. And then in the actual procedure part, the part that you've asked about in terms of stage names and stage aims, you can make sure you choose the correct thing here, and we're labeling this in your TP points, and then you can more or less copy and paste the stage aims. And remember, stage aims are saying why you're doing what you're doing. In other words, for example, to highlight the target language, to enable the students to understand the meaningful pronunciation. That's a grammar lesson or a vocabulary lesson. If you're doing a receptive skills, you might have something very similar. You've got, by the end of the lesson, students will have practiced there, and here you need to say what sub-skills of reading or listening they're doing, and then what the text is about. And then again, you would choose the appropriate stage names and stage aims. Normally for a receptive skills lesson, you've only got maybe 4 different stages. You would not have all of these stages, so bear that in mind. Anyway, I hope this helps. Please ask any questions in reply to this post.